Hello and thanks for watching this presentation. We are IT Technicians Group. I am Anusha Niazi and I'm going to explain my contribution to this project. This project was about Northern Ontario Recreational Vehicle Storage Management System. This sequence diagram clearly shows the main purpose of the system. It starts with the client. Client makes a storage request to the system through the website. Then the system would look for an available space for that particular client. If the appropriate space exists, then the system would prompt the user to enter their credit card information. After client entered the credit card information, then the system would verify the information, and if user entered valid information, then it would become a rental agreement between the user and the system. So the question is how we leaped from use case to user interface. A use case showed the sequence of the transaction in the system to us. In this system, use case starts when the clients click on the storage request button, which is the first option on the left side of the navigation bar. So after user clicked on that button, this page will appear, which basically asks user to enter their contact information as well as their vehicle's information. If user submits the information to the system, after a few seconds, this page would appear, which shows the details of the appropriate space for their vehicle. User can decide to reserve the storage or cancel the request. Also, if the system couldn't find any appropriate space for that particular client, it will show a message that we do not have an available space for your vehicle at this time. So if user decides to reserve the storage, they would need to create an account. In order to create an account, they need to click on the account button, which is on the navigation bar. Then two options would appear, sign in and sign up. If the clients already have an account, then they just need to sign in with their email address and password. But if they are new users to this website, then they need to sign up. They need to enter their information to this website and click on submit. In clients accounts, there is a navigation bar which has an option called profile. If user clicks on profile option, a menu would appear which has 3 more options. If user clicks on payments, we ask user to enter their credit card information in a few steps, and the last step we ask user to enter whether they want to receive their monthly statement as a hard copy or as a soft copy.
I invite and continue other part of the presentation. During this design activity, analysis model including class diagram and sequence diagram are extended to incorporate software-specific elements. We can this model as a blueprint for software methods that will be programmed, tested, and eventually deployed. The diagram describes in enough detail how the software programmers work so that the programmers can write the code for the function and methods. In addition, system provides three types of report. The first one, as you can see, is a detailed report. When a user makes a reservation on the web, the system prints the order information as a confirmation. Although a user can always print the web screen display by using the browser print capability, that takes more time and report format isn't guaranteed. It is more user-friendly to provide clients with a printer-friendly order confirmation in addition to a web-based display. Another report is an internal report based on place status. The owner and employee can see which storage empty and which one are full or reserved for next seasons. And the last report, that is a geographical presentation, contains a pie chart and a bar graph It shows storage status and incomes and expense of last year. It provides financial information and owner can inform about investments. When it comes to benefit of the new system, it is more user-friendly. User can make reservation easier and they can update their information and enter the storage easier. It is also more convenient as the system automatically update place status, provide monthly state for use client and management reporting feature for owner. And also it is more reliable as the new system manage the status of storage and manage the payments. The new system is internet-based system and user that are client, owner, and employee can log in with their computer, smartphone, or other device. It is based on a integrated storage space management component that track space availability and convert reservation to a contract. New system has a management reporting feature which allow owner to track all business activity like monthly revenue and tax collection. That is our presentation. If there is any mistake or mishap, please forgive us. Thank you for your attention.